How much is your hair worth to you? Is it worth a child's life? Each year, thousands of St. Baldrick's heroes shave their heads to raise funds for life-saving research. The St. Baldrick's Foundation needs you to join this worldwide effort. Together we can conquer kids' cancer, the #1 disease killer of children. Sign up for an event, make a donation, volunteer. Call 888-899-BALD or simply visit stbaldricks.org.
Children shouldn't have to endure the pain of cancer, but many do every day. These are my heroes, and I'm supporting them by joining the St. Baldrick's program. KUAM kicks off the national campaign a day early, as I'll be shaving my head live during KUAM News Extra and taking your pledges on Friday, October 2nd, helping to raise much-needed funding for cancer treatment and research. Half your tax-deductible donation helps the Edward M. Calvo Cancer Foundation, with half going to St. Baldrick's. So please tune in and make a pledge. These heroes need our help now.